Good morning, people. Today is going to be a fun day. We are going to go ride the dirt bikes today. It's been a hot minute since I've been on the dirt bikes. Well, let me tell you. Oh my gosh. So my dad and I are going to go clean them, and then the gajos are going to come and ride with us. I'm a little nervous because literally every time we go with them, they injure themselves, or me. I get injured too. One time when I was riding with them, I took a good spill and messed up my back, and it has never been the same since. So yeah, I really hope no one dies today, but it'll be fun. Stay tuned for some fun. Little farmer boy is here, rocking it. I'm ready to go ride some dirt bikes, people. Well, people, heading out. Gonna move some cars, as always. Ugh. Wearing my new Santa Clara shirt, athletics. I don't know who sent it to me, but if whoever sent it to me, thank you. It's very nice, very soft. So if you sent it to me, please tell me, because I'd like to thank you. I'm gonna have to Ooh, okay. Okie dokie, to the van. Let's go. This one's my fave, the little one.
Just FYI. That's a lot of torque.
You got a large moment arm.
Make sure your gas is on, your choke is on.
It's on run.
Make sure it's in run.
It is. What am I doing wrong?
Wow. Oh, it's the first time in like 2 years. Since usually it was.
Well, I've never really been able to start them anyway, so. I'm done. stop for a bathroom break. Oh, aren't I so cool though? She's graduating. Here comes Sam and Olivia. I was having so much trouble because my bike wouldn't keep idle, so I had to restart it every time, and it was horrible. Why is it or not? Here we go. You want to race?
Yeah.
This is more my speed, you know?
Mine has a ROPS.
Well, mine's more aerodynamic.
Over though.
I don't think you are either.
What this is for? And my seatbelt.
Wow, my braids look like they've been through it. Putting on a helmet a bunch of times really does that. I did get like an allergy attack in the middle and looked like a druggie because my eyes were puffy and red, and it was kind of bad, but other than that, it was so much fun. I miss going on the bikes, they're fun. Although Sam and Olivia, man, they like to race and like get into it. I'm just happy, you know, cruising through the apple trees. I don't need to kill myself here. So I just went, looked at the buffalo, rode through the trees, watched some golfers. I had a good time. It definitely feels faster than it looks because that clip of me driving or riding, it looks like I'm going a snail's pace, but it felt a lot faster. Plus, that wasn't the fastest I went. I went way faster than that, but that was just first gear, you know, a little show off. Yeah, I came home, baked the best cookies in the world, and we had dinner with Pappy, but I felt like the vlog was long enough, so I didn't take any clips. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you think I'm really cool because I have dirt bikes and an ATV, but you didn't even see the ATV. So yeah, be my friend and we can ride dirt bikes. Okay, peace out, bye. Like, subscribe.